Hello friends. In this video we are going to talk about National Exit Test, NEXT, in India. Let's get started. What exactly is NEXT, National Exit Test? 1. In August 2019, the Lok Sabha passed the National Medical Commission (NMC) Bill 2019, which states that MBBS graduates in India will be required to appear for a national level exit exam called National Exit Test, NEXT. 2. National Exit Examination, NEXT, is currently a proposed amendment to be brought in the form of a test that will be regulated at final year MBBS level. 3. NEXT for MBBS is believed to be designed in order to assess the basic skills and knowledge of a medical student under NMC Bill. 4. NEXT will serve as a licentiate examination for medical practice post-MBBS. As believed by many senior medical authorities of India, implementation of the same is expected to be done within a stipulated period of 3 years from the day of the pass of NMC Bill. 5. National Exit Examination at MBBS level will be an All India level-based exam designed to judge the overall knowledge gained and practical understanding developed by MBBS students. 6. Based on the reports, NEXT exam is very likely to be based on multiple choice questions pattern. What is the purpose of NEXT? 1. NEXT, as a one common test, will replace the final year MBBS exams conducted by different universities. 2. NEXT may become a mandatory examination to be undertaken by all those foreign medical graduate exam (FMGE) aspirants in place of the very same FMGE. 3. With the proposed implementation of NEXT, it is expected that FMGE will be merged with NEXT. 4. NEXT is proposed to become an examination equivalent to NEET for postgraduate medical courses across India. 5. The proposed bill is expected to regulate NEXT as an exit examination that will conduct common counseling for admission into PG level medical courses. 6. As proposed, through NEXT 50% of the seats in the postgraduate under All India Quota will be filled through NEXT. 7. NEXT will serve as screening test for Indian overseas candidates instead of earlier MCI screening tests. There are many merits and demerits to the proposed NEXT examination, but we have to keep in mind that all these points are based on the proposed bill prepared by the Ministry of Health, Government of India. Please let us know your thought about the NEXT. Thanks for watching.
So friends, please make sure to subscribe to our MedStudy channel and hit the bell icon to get notified as soon as new video gets added.